Lime Ricky World in Wildwood, New Jersey. Nessie's playing the sweets shop. See if she can get some snappers. Dang. Oh, there you go. Nice. Oh. Let me try. I'll try with mine.
Let's try Nessie. Oh, thank you.
You see that fail? Dang.
I thought we were gonna get it snapping.
Well, there you go, right there. You got it. That's a good grab. Oh, fell right in there. I'm gonna get some more because I love these things. Try to get whatever that
This box
other
is my
thing
own
is.
box.
Alright. I missed that round thing though.
What is the round thing? It's the
Alright, now
round
I'm
one.
gonna try to get it. Little red things.
You can get one right there.
Gonna get a bottle? Oh, you got it right. Oh, let me try.
Alright.
I'm about to get it. What?
There you go. Oh. Here, Kari, give it a try.
I'll get that one.
Man, you should have got that one right there.
I was trying to aim for it, but I was
You ain't check your angles. Come back. Oh, you got the look. That's what I wanted. Stay. Okay.
Hey, nice job.
All right, let's see what that is. All right, show everybody what we got. Kari got
Shogun Party Poppers.
Shogun Party Poppers, and Nessie got box of Snappers. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Like, share,